DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am celebrating my own Trash to Treasure month. And we are turning some chairs and old drawers that I found on the side of the street into some beautiful planters for my garden. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some garden planters. It's spring, which means it's time for spring cleaning. But before you toss out all that stuff from the garage, make sure you can't turn it into something fantastic. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.